Hey everybody, it's Justin from Destination Kia. Today I'm standing in front of one of our Niro EVs in order to demonstrate to you two different ways that you can remove a charging cable when the time comes. Well, the first way to remove a charging cable from your Niro EV, if the vehicle hasn't already released it, is by simply pressing the unlock button on your key fob twice. Doing that will release the charge cable and you can simply remove it. However, what if you've tried that and it doesn't seem to be functioning? Well, did you know that right here under the hood, you'll find that there's an emergency release. Simply pulling up on it while you then press the button on the charge cable and remove it will allow you to remove that cable even if, for instance, your key fob unlock is not working. So there you go, two factory-approved ways to disconnect your EV charging cable in a pinch. Get you back on the road quickly so you're ready to go. If you want to come check out the Kia EV Niro, well, we've got them in stock here at Destination Kia, so make your appointment now because we can't wait to see you.